Hey, this is Mary with Better Day Consulting and Credit Repair, and congratulations, you made it to credit tip number 60. So, credit tip number 60 is, did you know that by disputing online, you waive some of the same rights that allow for account removal? Yes, you waive those rights. So, one of the many ways the credit bureaus have found to basically defraud the public, defraud us, is by introducing an online dispute system that was supposedly created to help you or help us. So this online dispute system, it requires that you log into a dispute site, enter your information regarding the erroneous items, and then at first glance, it looked like, okay, the online dispute system appears to be a benefit because I can do it easy as online. But, you know, the only benefit you have is the convenience of filing an online dispute, instead of actually writing a letter to the credit bureaus disputing the information, right? So the Fair Credit Reporting Act, the FCRA, it imposes a 30-day time limit on disputes. And if the item is not responded to within that time limit, it must be removed from your credit report, from your credit file. So using the automated dispute system, it makes it very easy. It makes it very easy for the credit reporting bureaus and reporting agencies to not only respond, but to respond without having to do a full investigation, right? So using the automated dispute system, it does not create a paper trail for you, so you can track the details of your dispute. So if you don't have a paper trail, you can't take further legal actions against the bureau for them being non-compliance, you know. So when you disputing online, they use a coding system which is limited to like the codes that they already have in their systems, and those codes may not be the reason for you disputing, but you basically choose the closest thing, you know, based on your situation. And there's no place for you seeing all related information about the disputes like you would if you were sending a letter to them and explaining your particular situation about that account, right? So you lose out on that. So under the FCRA, all relevant information must be transmitted to the data furnisher, but the online dispute system, it don't allow you to do it. So it don't comply with that requirement because you can't transmit any documents when you're using the online system. You just have to put in whatever they allow you to do on the system. So the FCRA requirement that the credit reporting agencies provide you with written results. So when you dispute online, the reporting agency is not required to comply with this, right? The FCRA also requires that the credit reporting agencies to provide you with the method of verification if you request it. And the method of verification is a powerful tool they have to explain when you're disputing. But if you dispute online, you waive that right for them to provide you that method of verification. So how they verify this is erroneous information, they can't provide that to you. And what you're probably not aware is that the credit reporting agencies will sometimes they'll delete an item without forwarding it to the data furnishers. And the data furnishers will then re-report this information back on your report the next reporting cycle because they are not aware of your dispute. And they will just reinsert this item. So there's a standard notice that's required to be sent prior to any reinsertion of a deleted item. But based on the law, if you dispute online, the credit reporting agencies, they do not have to send you any notice prior to reinsertion if you dispute online. So that's why we don't dispute online. We just use paper. We just, have a paper trail where we send it to the agencies and stuff like that. So I hope this information really helped you. And I hope you learn a lot from these 60 days of credit tips. And this is Mary with Better Day Consulting and Credit Repair. If you want your credit fixed, put Mary Taylor in the mix. And you can find us on our social media channels. You can go to our website at betterdayconsulting.com where you can schedule your free consult. And you can also give us a call at 833-522-0200. Thank you so much for hanging in there with me for these 60 days of credit tips. And I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call. Thank you. Bye-bye.